Now this is on though.
Okay. Welcome to another edition of That You Didn't Know. And I'm honored and privileged, and I would like to get down and discuss. Jose Rodriguez. DJ Jose Rodriguez. International. Oh, and let me tell you, we need to say, Feliz cumpleaños. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Panamanian, is that what you Panamanian or something?
Nah, actually I'm like a black Irish mix, but no, you won't tell me.
All right, okay. All right.
Thank you so much for coming down and allowing, to be with us for your birthday and allowing us to help you celebrate your birthday. I know your family's here too.
Yeah, my family's here, but I mean, that family and this family, and DC is family. I mean, it starts under the tree. The tree is Go-Go.
Yeah.
Mr. Earl Rush is the tree, and everybody else the capillaries. And I mean, I always get love here in DC. That's why I'm always privileged to come down here and hang out with you guys.
I know you and Earl, you all you go like way back.
We go way back, but you know what though? Through thick and thin.
Yep.
And anybody knows the Go-Go, we have definitely established a very good bond. I love them to death. I love all you guys too out there too.
Oh, the feeling is mutual. And anytime Stuck on Salsa has like the big functions, you gotta pull out the big guns. DJ Jose Rodriguez. Need I say that?
There's one thing that Go-Go talks about though.
What's that?
The music.
Oh, the music.
And if anybody knows the one thing about Stuck on Salsa parties, the music. And the music brings the dancers.
That's what it is.
It brings you down and listen to me. When I play in DC, sweaty palms all the time. Because the dancers here challenge me as a DJ, and I really appreciate that. Yes.
Wow, that's great.